whatever I'm going to share in this video, don't believe it. But don't disbelieve it either. Because if you believe it, you think you got it, but you will not be able to apply in live market. But if you disbelieve it, you will miss an important aspect in trading. A few days back, one person asked me, Indra, what does volume indicates in trading? Could you please share your honest opinion? I told him that volume indicates nothing in trading. I will repeat, I told him that volume indicates nothing in trading. He was shocked actually. And he said, but the traditional definition says something else. If the price is going up with increased volume, it is bullish. If the price is going down with increased volume, it is bearish. Don't you think this is how the price and volume relationship works? I told him that you have asked my honest opinion. That is why I am saying this. If you would have asked for a traditional definition of price volume, I would have said the same thing. Then he started listening to me patiently. Hey everyone, my name is Indrajit Chantraj. I'm a full-time trader and author of 7 best-selling books. I will not say the traditional definition of price-volume relationship is completely wrong, but the traditional definition of price and volume relationship is not sufficient enough to take profitable trades. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First, let us understand the traditional definition of price-volume relationship. It is very simple. The first case is, if the price is going up with increased in volume, they say it is bullish actually. Okay, it's very simple. If the price is going up with an increased volume, it is bullish. The next case is, again it is very simple. If the price is going down with increase in volume, then it is bearish. Simple, if the price is going down with increase in volume, it is bearish. The third scenario is, if the price is going up with decrease in volume, some people say it is bearish, but some people say it is not bearish and it is not bullish also. Okay, but that's not the point of discussion. We'll keep it aside. So let's consider it as bearish. If the price is going up with decrease in volume, it is bearish. The fourth scenario is, if the price is going down with a decrease in volume, people say it is bullish actually. Okay, this is how the traditional definition of price and volume relationship has been defined actually. But now I don't agree with this actually, because I'm not saying this, charts are saying this. It's not my imagination, but chart says something else actually. Before getting into the charts, my logic is very simple. What I say is, the price can go up with increased volume, medium volume, and even less volume. I will repeat, the price can go up with increased volume, medium volume, and even with less volume. And the same scenario, the price can go down with increased volume, the price can go down with medium volume, the price can go down even with a less volume actually. So that is what I define actually. So instead of assuming things, so let's look at some of the charts so that you will understand it in a better way. So now this is one chart. This is Ultratech Cement. Observe very carefully here. The price has gone up, right? From here to here it's gone up, but the volume is medium, isn't it? There is not much of high volume, isn't it? Okay, this is case 1. Now look at case 2. This is Ultratech Cement. The price has gone up from here to here. It is completely uptrend, but where is the volume? It is very less, right? And whenever I present this chart, some people will claim there is a big, volume candle here. That is why it is looking very small. That's what they say. But my point is very simple. This is how we see it in the chart, right? Because these volume bars looks very small only because we have this. Correct, right? So now the case 3, observe very carefully here. The price has gone up from here to here, decrease in volume. Same story, the price has gone up from here to here, but the decrease in volume, isn't it? There is not much of increased volume. In fact, the volume is decreased actually. Okay. Do you think these are some cherry picked charts? Definitely not. This is ACC and Ultratech Cement charts, and both are very, big or major companies in Nifty actually. Okay. So let's leave aside the stocks aside. Let's look at index itself. We will look at Nifty and Bank Nifty, then we will take a call. Okay, this is case 4. So this is Nifty futures chart actually, daily chart. Can you see here the price has gone up from here to here, but with a decreased volume, isn't it? The price has gone up very clearly here, but with a decreased volume, right? This is Nifty futures daily chart, okay, index. And this is Bank Nifty futures once again, daily chart. The price has gone up from here to here, volume is decreased, isn't it? See, that is why I say the price can go up with more volume or medium volume or even less volume. On the same note, the price can go down with more volume, medium volume and less volume. Do you feel difficulty to digest this concept? I completely understand, because even I felt the same way when I discovered this a few years ago. But as I said earlier, don't believe it as it is. Okay, open up the charts and see some charts. Whenever the price has gone up, just see whether the volume is increased or not. Whenever the price came down, just observe whether the volume also came down or not. Just check 50 charts or 100 charts. Then only you will get the information. Now let's move on to another important topic, which is related to price and volume relationship, which is also a part of price action trading. Now observe this chart. This particular volume spike is bullish or bearish. Okay, you can observe the respective candle on price also. Okay, tell me whether it is bullish or bearish. If your answer is bullish, then you are right. Okay, so your understanding is correct actually. Now let's take it to the another level. Okay, this is another chart, Bank Nifty again daily chart. So this is the volume spike, and this is the corresponding candle. Can you tell me it is bullish or bearish? If your answer is bullish after looking at the green color of the volume spike, then ask a question to yourself. If the volume is bullish and volume spike, such a big volume spike is bullish, then why the price failed to go on higher side? Why it went into sideways, then it witnessed some selling? Okay, so in this particular case, the volume is not bullish actually, the volume is bearish. Why? Because the price opened up here and it gone till here. This is the high made and it came back and it closed here. Just because it closed little above than the open level, the candle became green and the respective volume candle also became green. But if you observe the price candle very carefully, over 75% of the participants are sellers, isn't it? So only this much is buying, whereas this much is selling, right? So I would say this, 75% of the people in this particular volume spike are sellers actually. So that's why if you say it is a bullish candle just by looking at the color of the volume spike, then it is not a good idea. Actually it is wrong. Okay, so now take it to the next level. So this is another one. Now just see, this is the volume spike and this is the respective price candle. Okay, so it is bearish or bullish. If you say bearish, then again you are right, okay, because the price, there are many sellers in this particular candle. So if you say bearish, then you are right. So we will take it to the next level, okay. So this is Nifty 15-minute chart actually. Okay, this is the opening candle actually. After looking at the volume spike, can you tell me whether it is bearish or bullish? If your answer is bearish, once again you need to question your understanding of price and volume relationship. Okay, why? Because if you think this particular volume spike is bearish at the open, then why the price failed to trade at lower side and then it's gone up, isn't it? Again, if you observe the price candle very carefully, the price opened here, it's gone down till here, but again it came and closed here. Just because it closed little below than the open level, it made it as a red color. The software made it as a red color, and the corresponding volume spike also appearing as a red color. But that doesn't mean sellers are strong here, isn't it? Once again, the 75% of the participants in this particular case are buyers, isn't it? Okay. So many traders, they just observe or they just look at the color of the volume candle and they come to a conclusion saying it is a bullish candle or it is a bearish candle. But actually, if you observe very carefully the candle as well as the the price candle as well as the volume spike, it reveals so many things. Okay, once again, don't believe my words as it is. Just open up a chart, just observe all the volume spike, whether it is really bullish, really bearish. Observe very carefully, you will understand so many things. Are you interested to know more about how I analyze price and volume relationship? I call it as advanced volume analysis. Also, do you want to know more about other aspects of price action trading? Like support and resistance concept, different stages of market, powerful candlestick patterns, price acceptance and price rejection, and advanced candlestick analysis, and many more? If yes, then register for my price action trading course, which is available over 50% discount today. The link is given in the description. Even if you don't register for the course, it is fine. Please include these two topics in your trading and definitely you grow as a trader. So see you in the next video.